Very good afternoon, dear students. Today we are discussing about exercise 1.6, question number 7. Question number 7 here given. A man is given, B man is given. Verify that inverse of AB is equal to inverse B into inverse C. What is the formula for inverse of A is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is the inverse of A formula. But in this question, so what is asking here? Inverse of AB. Inverse of AB means in the A replaced with AB. That's why 1 divided by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. This is the inverse of AB formula is 1 divided by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. So AB you don't know. That's why you need to calculate AB matrix first. See the solution. Given A matrix is 2, 3, 1 minus 4. B matrix is 1, minus 2, minus 1, 3. First we are calculating AB matrix. The A matrix is 2, 3, 1 minus 4. The next B matrix is 1, minus 2, minus 1, 3. Now product with the first row, first column. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Next product first row, second column, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 3 3 is 9. Next product the second product first column, the 1 into 1 1 plus minus 4 into minus 1 that is plus 4. Product second row second column, 1 into minus 2 minus 2 plus minus 4 into 3 is minus 4. So simplify this one. 2 minus the value is minus 1, 5 minus 14. This is the AB matrix. So we need to calculate determinant of AB. So determinant of AB elements is minus 1, 5 minus 14. Cross multiplication apply. Minus 1 into minus 4 that is plus 14. Minus 5 into 5 the value is 25. 14 minus 25 the value is minus 11. Next we need to calculate adjoint of AB. You know formula for adjoint of A. Suppose if capital A is equal to ABCD, then adjoint of A formula directly these two elements are interchanging is A replaced with D, D replaced with A. But these two numbers does not interchange, only including AB symbol. So minus B minus C. This is the adjoint of A formula. Like that, we are calculating adjoint of AB is equal to directly these two elements are interchanging. So minus 1 replaced with minus 14, minus 14 replaced with minus 1. These two numbers does not interchange, only including negative symbol. That's why minus 5, minus 5. This is the adjoint of AB. But what is asking LHS condition? We need to calculate inverse of AB. Inverse of AB form is 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. Substitute elements 1 divided by determinant of AB is minus 7. So minus 7. Substitute adjoint of AB elements are minus 14, minus 5, minus 5, minus. Substitute the elements. Each element product with 1 by minus 7. Minus 14 into 1 by minus 7 is that is 14 by 11. Minus 5 into 1 by minus 7 is 5 by 11. Minus 5 into 1 by minus 7 is 5 by 11. So 1 by minus 7 into minus 1 is 1 by 11. This is the inverse of AB. Inverse of AB. Next we are calculating. Next we need to B inverse. After that we need to calculate A inverse. After that product with B inverse and A inverse. So now we are calculating determinant of A. We need to calculate determinant of A. So determinant of A, substitute A elements are 2, 3, 1, minus 4. Cross multiply. 2 into minus 4 that value is minus 8. Minus 1 into 3 is 3. We get minus 11. So adjoint of A. So directly these two elements are interchanging. 2 replaced with minus 4, minus 4 replaced with 2. These two numbers are not interchanging. We are including symbol is negative. So So we get minus 3 minus 1. So now calculate A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now substitute elements are 1 by determinant of A is minus 11, adjoint of A is minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2. Simplify this one. Each element product is to 1 by minus 11. We get the elements are 4 by 11, 3 by 11, 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11. This is the inverse of A. Next we need to calculate B inverse. So first we need to calculate determinant of B. So determinant of substitute the B elements are 1, minus 2, minus 1, 3. Now apply cross multiplication. 1 into 3, 3, minus 1 into minus 2, plus 2. Plus of minus 2 is minus 2, we get 1 only. Next to adjoint of B. Adjoint of B. These two elements are interchanging. 1 replaced with 3, 3 replaced with 1. After these two elements does not interchange, only adding minus of minus 2 plus 2, minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So next B inverse is 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. So 1 by determinant of B is 1 only. Adjoint of B is 3 to 1. Finally we get B inverse is equal to 3 to 1. Now we can take RHS condition. We should take RHS condition. The given is B inverse is equal to A inverse. What is inverse of B value is? Matrix is 3, 2, 1, 1. Next, what is inverse of A matrix is? 4 by 11, 3 by 11, 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11. Now product with these two matrices. First row, first column. 3 into 4 by 11 is 1 by 11, plus 2 into 1 by 11 is 2 by 11. Product first row, second column. 3 into 3 by 11 is 9 by 11. 2 into minus 2 by 11 is minus 4 by 11. Next product is second row and first column. 1 into 4 by 11 is 4 by 11. Plus 1 into 1 by 11 is 1 by 11. Next product is second row and second column. 1 into 3 by 11 is 3 by 11. 1 by 1 into minus 2 by 11 is minus 2 by 11. Simplify this one. When your LCM will be same, adding the numerator elements. 12 plus 2 14. The LCM value is 11. The 9 minus 4 value is 5 by 11. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 11. 3 minus 2 that is 1 by 11. This is the RHS will be inverse A inverse. Observe here, in the asking question, verify that both matrices are equal or not. Observe here. LHS and RHS both are equal or not? All the elements are equal. Write conclusion. LHS is equal to RHS. The LHS condition is inverse of AB is equal to RHS condition is B inverse into A inverse. This is the solution of this question. First we will calculate AB. After that, determinant of AB or adjoint of AB. That element substitute in the inverse of AB form is 1 by determinant AB into adjoint of A. AB. That is the left hand side condition. Next, RHS condition is inverse of B into inverse of A. Separate we need to calculate inverse of B value and inverse of A value. After that, product with inverse of B into inverse of A. After that, we are getting LHS and RHS both are equal or not verified. When both are equal, the right condition is LHS is equal to RHS. This is the solution of this question. I think everyone understands this question. Very important for the final exam. See the question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. See the question number 8. So question number 8 given A matrix is given. So verify that A square minus 5A minus 14I equal to 0 and hence find inverse of A. So first we have to verify that given condition is A square minus 5A minus 14I. See the question number 8. Capital A is equal to the given matrix is 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5 minus 4, 2. Verify that A square minus 5A minus 14I is equal to 0 and hence find inverse of A. Observe in this question, first verify that this condition is equal to 0. First, you don't know A square. You don't know a square. Thus we need to calculate a square. After that, substitute in the left hand side condition, we get the 0. 0 is nothing but what? Null matrix. Means each every element should be 0. Then it is called null matrix or 0. See the solution? Given capital A is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. So a square. A square can be written as a into a. Don't write O square. This is the matrix condition. A square can be written as a into a. Substitute 2 times. A matrix substitute 2 times. 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. Product with those two matrices. First row, first column. 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 5 to minus 4, that value is plus 20. First row and first column, second column. 3 into minus 4, that value is minus 15. Minus 5 into 2, that value is minus 10. Next product with second row and first column. Minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12. 2 into minus 4, that value is minus 8. Product with second row, second column. Minus 4 into minus 5, that value is 20. Plus 2 into 2. This we get 9 plus 20, 29. Minus 15 minus 10, that value is minus 25. Minus 4 minus 2, that value is minus 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Now we got a square matrix is 29 minus 25 minus 20 24. Now we can take as LHS condition. Left hand side condition given is a square minus 5a minus 14i. I is nothing but what? Identity matrix or unit matrix. What is the definition of the unit matrix? Means a square matrix is said to be identity matrix or unit matrix. The principal diagonal elements are equal to 1. Then rest of the elements are 0. Then it is called identity matrix. Identity matrix is written by capital I. So now the sales of a square substitute the matrix is 29 minus 25 minus 20 24. Next the given symbol is negative. Element is 5a. 5 in place of a substitute a elements 3 minus 5 minus 4 2 minus 14 I is nothing but 19 but 1 0 0 1 because of a value is equal to 2 by 2 matrix, that's why I also taken as 2 by 2 matrix. Now this matrix write as this 29 minus 25 minus 20 24 minus each element product with 5. Find the 3 15. Find the minus 5 minus 25. Find the minus 4, the value is minus 20. Find to 10. Only product with only element only. Minus each element product with 14. 14 into 1 is 14. 14 into 0 0. 14 into 0 0. 14 into 1 is 14. Now we are subtracting the corresponding element is first position element minus first position. What is the first position element here? 29. Symbol is 29 minus second matrix first position is 15. After the symbol negative. Third matrix first position is 14. Like that. Here second position is minus 25. Minus of minus is plus 25 minus 0. Next here first position is minus 20. Minus of minus 20, that is plus 20 minus 0. Next 24 minus 10 minus 14. Now observe here all the elements are get cancelled, that value will be 0. Plus minus 15 minus 14 minus 29 plus 14 get cancelled. Minus 25 plus 1 get cancelled 0. Minus 20 plus 1 get cancelled 0. 24 minus 24, the value is 0. Finally we get the RHS condition. This is the given question is verify that a square minus 5a minus 14 equal to 0 or not. Okay, now finally we got the right hand side condition. Next what they are asking, find the inverse of a. First we are calculating determinant of a. So determinant of substitute elements are 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. Apply cross multiplication. 3 into 2 6 minus 4 into minus 4 plus 20. Plus of minus is minus 20. 6 into 6 minus 20, that value is minus 14. Next we need to calculate adjointment of it. So we can substitute the formula. These two elements are interchanging. 3 replaced with the 2, 2 replaced with the 3. After that, these two elements are does not interchange, only adding negative. Minus of minus is plus 5. Minus of minus is plus 4. Plus 5 plus 4. So inverse of a form is 1 by determinant of a into adjointment of it. So a inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of a value is got minus 14. Adjointment of a value is 2 5 4. Okay, this is the solution of this question, dear students. First we have to verify the given condition is equal to 0 or not. After that we need to calculate inverse of it. The question number 9 also same thing only. That one also I will explain now. See the question number 9. See the question number 9. I think everyone understand this question. So question number 9 also same thing only, but given matrices are different, numericals also different. See the question number 9. If capital A is equal to 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Verify that A square minus 4A plus 5I is equal to 0, and hence find inverse of A. Here also first we need to calculate A square minus. See the solution. Given capital A is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 3. So A square can be written as A into A. So A may substitute twice. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. A substitute A matrix is 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Now product with the first row, first column. So 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 1 into 2 is a minus 2. Product first row, second column. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. When the product with the two matrices, 1 into 1 is 1 plus minus 1 into 2 is minus, plus of minus, minus 2. Next product with second one first column, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 2 6. Product second one second column, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 3 3 is simplify this one. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 that value is minus 4. 2 plus 6 that value is 8. Minus 2 plus 9 that value is 7. This is the A square. Now we can take left hand side condition is A square minus 4A plus 5. We need to calculate 0 matrix. A square matrix is minus 1, minus 4, 8, 7. Minus 4 into substitute A matrix is 1, minus 1, 2, 3 plus 5 into ID matrix 1, 0, 0. Because of A matrix given 2 by 2 matrix side, I also taking 2 by 2 matrix. Simplify this one. This matrix I have this minus 1, minus 4, 8, 7 minus. Each element product with 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12, plus each element product with 5, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 0, 5 into 0, 5 into 1 is 5. Now first we have to subtract this one up, we are adding and subtracting corresponding values. Symbol is very important. The first element is minus 1 minus the first element is 4 plus first element is 2. Next here minus 4 minus here minus 1 minus 4 plus 0. Second row first element is 8. Symbol is negative. Here element is 8 plus here first element is 0. Second row second element is 7. Symbol is negative. Here is 12. Here is plus 5. Here everything will get cancelled. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 3. Plus will get cancelled 0. Minus 4 minus 1 minus plus will get cancelled 0. Plus 8 minus 8 will get cancelled 0. 7 plus 5 is plus 12 and minus 1 we cancel 0. So finally we get the 0 matrix. This is the right hand side addition. Next we need to calculate inverse of A. First we are calculating determinant of A. So determinant of A is substitute determinant of A and x are 1 minus 1 2 3. Apply cross multiplication. 1 into 3 is a 3 minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So 3 minus of minus plus 2. 3 plus 2 that value is 5. Next is adjointment of A. So now these two elements are interchanging. 1 replaced with 3, 3 replaced with 1. These two elements are not interchanging, only adding negative. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Minus of plus 2 that value is minus 2. This is the adjointment of A. So now find inverse of A is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjointment of A. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A value is 5. So adjointment of A matrix is 3, 1, minus 2, 1. Each element product 1 by 5, so we will give the 4. This is the solution of this. Question number 8 and question number 9 both are same thing only. First we need to calculate A square. After that take left hand side condition to prove the 0 matrix. After that you have to find the inverse of A. This is the solution of this question, dear students. In this exercise, last question. In this exercise, last question. See the question number 10. Question number 10. What is the question number 10? Question number 10 is if the given matrix is 5x 2 minus 10 1 is a singular matrix. Is a singular matrix. So what is the definition of a matrix? Singular matrix. If capital A is a square matrix, so A is a square matrix, it is called a singular matrix. If condition is determinant of A is equal to 0. So singular matrix nothing but condition is determinant of A is equal to 0, then it is called a singular matrix. Determinant of A not equal to 0, then it is called a non-singular matrix. That's why, so this determinant of this matrix is equal to 0. That is called a singular matrix. Singular matrix nothing but A is a square matrix is said to be singular matrix. If determinant of A is equal to 0, then it is called a singular matrix. That's why, what is the given matrix to equate the determinant of A is equal to 0? So what is the given matrix to consider? A matrix, right? Capital A is equal to 5x 2 minus 10 1. So now I am equating the find the determinant of A. Determinant of 5x 2 minus 10 1. Now class 5x into 1 is the 5x minus 10 into 2 is the minus of minus plus 1. What is the given condition? It is a singular matrix. So given if A is a singular matrix, then condition is determinant of A is equal to 0. If A is a singular matrix, the condition is determinant of A is equal to 0. What is the determinant of A condition we got? 5x plus 20 is equal to 0. Last one we should take right hand side, we get minus 20. 5 1 5 4 we got x value is minus 4. This is the solution of this question. This type of question, one last question very important. Because of singular matrix, the condition is A is a square matrix, is said to be singular matrix. Condition is determinant of A is equal to 0. What is the given matrix? We can get the determinant of given matrix is equal to 0. We get the x value. This is the solution of this question. I think you understand this question. Tomorrow, June morning class, we are discussing about exercise 1.7. For now, listening to 4 classes, we can all the videos in the YouTube will be there. Everyone you can see the YouTube classes only. Tomorrow in June class, we are discussing about exercise 1. Thank you all.